We're at the end of the job where we were supposed to just pull the walls together and raise the roof. Found out there was termites, so we had to tear all the drywall off, all the insulation off, fix the areas that we thought it needed, and we added electrical and the light, moved the light that was over there, moved it over here, added an outlet, and then we put in a garage door. And the garage door itself was a really rough job. We put a 7-foot door in an 8-foot ceiling. Anybody that's installed doors might know. But here's what we had to do. We had to, and we got permission to do it, but we notched it so that the track and the trolley, the big the trolley is wider than the belts. And we put that in. And if you notice, our cable to hold the wall together, pulled together so that we get it up, is really close to the motor. But we learned all of that stuff, and frustrated as we were, we got it done. Thank you, Clay, for staying with me on a Sunday morning. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you another time.